Have you been thinking about becoming a piano technician? If you like being your own boss and having flexible hours, then piano technology might be right for you. The Piano Technician Academy was started in 2009 and is the largest online piano tuning school in the world, with over 3,000 graduates in every English-speaking country. Our state-of-the-art course was masterfully designed by some of the top technicians and instructors in our industry to get you tuning, repairing, and regulating pianos faster and at a higher level than any other program on the market. With over 80 high-def videos and 20 lessons covering everything from aural piano tuning, piano repair, and even how to start and run your own business, our course is perfect for beginners and established technicians alike. Whether you're just starting out or you're already an established piano technician hoping to take your registered piano technician's exams, this course is perfect for you. Our course is taught completely online so you can study on your schedule from the comfort of your home. If you want to love what you do and work with the instrument you love, then the Piano Technician Academy might be right for you.